the least integer, that means integer should take the smallest value. 1000 should be added with some smallest value. X should be smallest, such that the answer is a perfect square. Answer is a perfect square. 1000 plus some value. Now let us go by the options. First option is 10. 1000 plus 10, it is 1010. 1010 digital sum is 2. Any perfect square digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. But first option digital sum is giving as 2. That means this cannot be the answer. First one cannot be the answer. Second one, 156, 24, 89. Since the question is referring to smallest, let me take the smallest value. 1000 plus 24. 1000 plus 24 is 1024. 1024 it is 32 whole square. Okay. Let us check if there is any other smaller number. Option D, 1000 plus 89. 1000 plus 89 is 1089. 1089 is 33 whole square. Smallest it is 32 square. So answer for this question is option C. Answer for this question is option C. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Because it is referring to a smallest integer, first I checked with the smallest value among the 4, which is 10. The digital sum is coming out to be 2. It cannot be. So then I did it with 24. I hope the idea it is very much clear. How many perfect squares lie between 120 and 300? 120 and 300. 120 less than x less than 300. So this will be x is a perfect square. X is a perfect square. So x will take value 11 square 121, 12 square 144 and so on up to 17 square is 289. 17 square is 289. How many are there? From 11 square, 11 to 17. Total 7 numbers are there. How to get the 7 numbers? Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 17 minus 11 is 6. 6 plus 1 it is 7. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. The least integer that should be added to 1000. Just now we have seen, right, 1000 minus. Let us change the question. The least integer that should be subtracted from 1000. That should be subtracted from 1000 such that it is a perfect square. Since it is a similar question, right, I am changing the question. From 1000, how much should be subtracted such that resultant is a perfect square? Let me write down the options. 39, 37, 49 and 41 and 41. Now if you see here, 1000 minus smallest it is a perfect square. How to eliminate a lot of other options? If it is 1000 minus 39, 1000 minus 39 is 961. 961 it is 31 square. 31 square. Why another options? 1000 minus 37. It is 963. 963. A perfect square can never end with 3. Next one, if it is 49, 1000 minus 49, it is 951. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place is even. Next 41, 1000 minus 41, which is 959. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place has to be even. So the question can be, how much should be added to get a perfect square? How much should be subtracted to get a perfect square? Two kinds of questions will be asked. I hope both the models are clear.